Hey everyone, I am Payal and welcome to my channel. So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to give modern feel to the living space. Okay, so let's get started. As you can see, this is the layout of our living room, and now I'm going to add flooring to the space. So I choose black marble flooring for modern living. Now for this wall I'm going to add raw brick wall texture. As you all know, raw brickwork has been a popular trend in interior design and it seems at home in contemporary living room. And it doesn't matter if you are modern style lover or you more prefer classic and elegance. Brick wall is amazing combination with anything. And you can see this is looking amazing. Now for ceiling, I prefer only a simple plain false ceiling with off-white color with a chandelier, and I think it looked nice. Okay, I'm going to add TV unit come bookshelf to it, and now you can see, and adding a small stuff like books and decorative items, and the main thing is the TV. That's it. Adding the main element of living room is the couch, and I choose white with the blue cushioning, and with the black marble flooring it look amazing. As you can see, the floor lamp is provided, and the reason behind it that one can read books when they get bored, or they can read in free time also. I hope you like this video, and let me know your comments in the comment section below. And if you are new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and that bell button next to it so you will get notified when I added something new.